Hello, welcome back. In this video, we will learn about data types in DAX. DAX and Power BI has 6 major data types. When we extract data from any data source, for example, say we extracting data from SQL Server table, Power BI will read the data of first 200 rows of the each and every query, and it will assign one of the 6 data types it has in Power BI. The same data type conversion will happen whether we extract data from CSV, Excel, Oracle, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, for that matter any other data source. For example, if we take example of SQL Server, here you see SQL Server has so many data types, inbuilt data types, exact numerics, approximate numerics, date and time, binary strings. So though we have n number of data types, when we extract the data from SQL Server, it will fit all these data types into only 6 set of data types, which are the whole number, decimal number, fixed decimal number, date and time, text, boolean. We don't have to worry about the binary. For example, if you are reading the date and time, whether the data type in SQL Server may be date, date time to, date time offset, it will simply fit into the date time parameter. Date time data type. Similarly, the character strings like char, var, text, nchar, nvarchar, Unicode strings, whatever they may be, they will simply fit into the text data type in Power BI. So let's look at the storage types of these 6 data types. So we have the whole number. The storage type is of 64-bit. You can see it's a very big number. And we have decimal number, which has the decimal precision floating point value. It has 64-bit precision. So we have the fixed decimal number. So when we have a data type like a currency or money, then the fixed decimal number will be that particular data will get into the fixed decimal number, and it will have only 4 digits of length after the decimal. And we have boolean, true or false value, and we have string. The text data type is like a Unicode string, so which means the Chinese character, Japanese character, French, or so whatever the symbol kind of languages also will fit into this data type. And also in the string, the uppercase and lowercase values are same when we check in this text data type. Let's look at the date time data type. So it is stored in floating point number. So the date part of the number is stored in the whole number, and the time is stored in the decimal point. So here you can see Jan 1st 2012 pm, the value will be stored as 36,526.50. So how do we arrive to this number? Here we can see, like I mentioned, so it is the date is stored in floating point value. The whole number will be the date part of it. So by default, the DAX will start from this particular date, 1899. December 30th will start from 0. December 31st, it will increment by 1 and the value will be 1. So 1900 Jan 1st, the value is 2. So on. It will go to till whatever the value that we have. And the dates before December 30th, if we go in reverse, the upper values, it will be in -1, -2. So December 27th will be -3. So that is how it will store the values internally. So that is how we arrive this 36,526. Now look at the time part of the data type. So if it is 12 a.m., then the decimal is 00. If it is 6 a.m., then it is 25. If it is 12 p.m., that is the middle of the day, then it is 50. If it is 6 p.m., that is in the evening, it is 75. So in between the hours from 12 a.m. in between 6 a.m., then it will adjust the value in decimals. So this is how the date value is stored in the DAX data type. And the data type represents how the data is stored in the DAX storage engine. So these are the data types, this is how they are stored. There is something called formatting. The formatting will represent how the values are shown on the Power BI reports and dashboard. The actual format may be different, but what we see is different. So we will understand this formatting in the next video. So that's all for this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.